Don't throw away jackfruit seeds. You can make a delicious sambar using them. Trust me, it tastes so good and very healthy too. From next time, I'm sure you will start saving jackfruit seeds. Maybe you even buy jackfruits just for the seeds. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. The first thing I do when I make sambar, I will soak the tamarind, a lemon-sized ball of tamarind and a little bit of jaggery. Here I have taken 10 to 15 jackfruit seeds. Let me show you how to crack this and take off the skin. I'm using my small kitchen hammer here. You can use a pestle or any heavy stone which we can use for garlic crushing. Use whatever that works best for you. You can see how easily I can peel off the outer layer. The jackfruit seeds are all ready. Let's go ahead and start cooking the dal. Next, in a pressure cooker, add about 1 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of peeled and cleaned jackfruit seeds, 6 to 8 small sambar onions, 1 medium-sized tomato. Pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Exactly after 2 whistles, you can see how nicely dal and the jackfruit seeds has got cooked. Let's mash it. This also enhances the taste of the sambar. To this, I am adding tamarind and jaggery extract which we had soaked earlier. In this bowl, I have taken 1 tablespoon of homemade sambar powder. Add little water and mix the sambar powder before adding it to dal. This helps preventing forming the lumps. Add this to the cooked dal. It's almost getting ready. Let's take it to the stove and let it cook for few minutes. While it is cooking here, let's work on tadka. To a small tadka bowl, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, crushed garlic. Don't miss this. This gives a beautiful taste to the sambar. 5 to 6 red chilies. To avoid oil splashing, I am adding curry leaves directly to the sambar and then I will pour the tadka on top of it. I love doing this, adding some sambar to the tadka pan and pouring it back. It gives beautiful aroma. Add salt as per your taste, some chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. A beautiful, quick and easy jackfruit sambar is ready to enjoy. Serve this with hot rice, a little bit of desi ghee and a crispy papad next to it. A comforting meal. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.